Kolter homes. Homes that are built around you. The Emily floor plan offers a variety of unique personalization options designed for today's active adults. Here's an example that many couples appreciate and one we lovingly call the snore room. This option allows you to convert bedroom 2 into a separate sleeping room that is connected to the owner's suite. With this new layout, everyone can enjoy a good night's rest and still have easy access to the owner's bath and closet. Another creative use of space is the ability to add a second owner's suite. You can do this by reconfiguring bedroom 2 and the flex room, creating a full suite with shower and walk-in closet. Speak with a new home guide to explore the many ways you can have this floor plan built around you. With Kolter Homes, the choices are yours.